The SmartCode 913 Contemporary Touchpad Electronic Deadbolt is a one-touch locking motorized deadbolt. With your personalized code, you can enter your home with the convenience of keyless entry, and the backlit keypad provides increased visibility. SmartCode is easy to install, program and use, and operates on 4 AA batteries. It also features SmartKey security as the backup keyway. The polished chrome is perfect for coordinating in a bathroom with polished chrome fixtures. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Keyless entry touchpad with a motorized deadbolt and sleek interior. Includes traditional key functionality for peace of mind. Number 2. For use on exterior doors where keyed entry and security is needed. Number 3. Customized automatic door locking after 30 seconds for peace of mind. Up to 16 user codes, and backlit keypad stays lit for 5 seconds after inactivity. Number 4. Fits standard doors, 1 to 3/8 of an inch 2 inches, no new screw holes required. Number 5. Requires 4 AA batteries for operation, not included. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.